Hi kids, today we're doing our no-bake cheesecake. Get ready. Have your ingredients ready. Have your cream cheese at room temperature and softened. Step 1. Add your 2 packages of cream cheese. Step 2. Add the entire can of condensed milk. Step 3. Add your teaspoon of vanilla extract. Step 4. Add your 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. With a whisk or a hand mixer, stir until smooth. Step 6. Pour your cheesecake batter into your pie crust. Step 6. Place your cheesecake in the refrigerator to chill and set for about 30 minutes or even overnight. Step 7. Add your favorite toppings. Boy, it's time to taste your masterpiece. You just made a no-bake, easy cheesecake.